Hi, you are welcome to today's section of our maths class. We'll be looking at geometry today, and under geometry, we'll be looking at angle property of circle. So that's it. Okay, the geometry circles. We are looking at the properties, the angle properties of a circle. So let's go ahead. Okay, let's go ahead. So let's quickly go through this exercise to revise the parts of the circles that we have learned. A line that crosses a circle passing through the center. Yes, that's the diameter. Okay. A part of the circumference of a circle. Evelyn? Okay, an arc. A part of a circle formed by two radii and an arc. Jimmy? That's a sector. Okay. Right. A part of a circle formed by the chord and an arc. A segment, oh yes, it's really a segment. A line from the center of the circle to a point on the circumference. As a radius, the distance around the outside of a circle, yes, that's circumference, and a line that touches the circumference at one point only and meets the radius at right angles. Tangents, okay, that's really a tangent, okay. A line that joins two points on the circumference. A line that joins two points on the circumference. That is a chord. Okay, so we have that. Let's continue. Okay, now we have this picture. Let's try to identify the parts. Yes, sir. Evelyn. Yes, this sector. Okay. George, a radius. George again, a diameter, a chord. Okay. A segment, an arc, and a tangent. Good. Bravo to all of you. Bravo to all of you. So we'll continue with what we have to do. Yes, I know you all brought your math instruments, so we can proceed. Okay. So let's draw a circle with a convenient radius. Give you just 30 seconds to do that. Okay. So we'll move ahead. Let's locate a point A and B on the circumference. Also join A to the center and center to B. Okay, give you some few minutes to do that. Next one. let's create a point C where we can see it on the circumference. Then let's join A to C and B also to C. So I hope you are done. Okay, we'll move to the next step. So we're going to measure angle ACB and angle AOB. Our measurements are going to be different from mine because we'll be having different diagrams since you just did it to any convenient radius. Okay, so we're done with the one aspect of it. So we'll continue. Okay, we draw another circle, a convenient radius. We'll label the points as you can see on the diagram, the center and three other points on the circumference. Okay, we'll move to the next step. By joining the points A to O, O to B. Also, we join A to C and C to A. We continue here. Now we're going to measure angle AOB and angle ACB. So we'll use the protractors to measure. Let's move ahead. Mm, we'll continue. Let's check your values after measuring. I had these values. Yours will be different because we are all using different radius to draw a circumference. Move to the next one. This time let's draw a circle with center O and draw a diameter through O. Diameter through O. Okay. So we drew a diameter through O. label, we'll put the points. That's A, O, B, and C. And we also join the point O to B and B to C. Now we are going to our next step. I'm going to measure angle AOB and angle OCB. AOB and OCB. Okay, this are the values I had. Okay, so now basically we have looked at three different diagrams and measuring the angle formed at the circumference and the angle formed at the center of it. Yes, can we get a relationship? Is there anything we can get about the center and the circumference? Okay, let's think. Okay, let's see when we multiply the angle from the circumference by 2, what will it give us? Yes, it will be the same as the angle at the center. It will be the same as the angle at the center. So let's see what we can get from there. Let's see. So you can see that the angle subtended by an arc or a chord at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. You can see that safely. So anytime we have an angle being formed at the center and an angle being formed at the circumference, formed by the same arc, when we multiply the angle formed at the circumference by 2, it should give us exactly the angle formed at the center. Yes. Yes, I really want to thank you for attending the class. I hope you have gained something profitable and you have derived the terms yourself because you did the drawing and the measuring of the angles yourself. When you are given questions, you don't need to necessarily measure and get the value. We want you to apply the law you have learned, the property you have learned under this circle, that the angle formed at the center of a circle by an arc or a chord is equal to is twice the angle formed at the circumference by the same chord or the same arc. Thank you for the class.